Now, straight pathway, pag student visa, siguro malaki ang hindi yung madali, no. Sometimes I hate to go to stick with madali words o yung kaya yung makakalusot kasi walang madali sa application, no. So laging mahirap yung application. Imagine the amount of time that you need to put into your application, the amount of effort you have to get, because you're going to get all the documents, and then marami kayong mga iniisip, marami kayong gustong maklaro and things like that. So walang madali. Siguro mas maiging tingnan dito is ano ba yung mas stronger, ano ba yung merong mas mataas na likelihood to get a successful visa application o magkaroon ka ng visa grant. Now, for you being an RN, the straightforward pathway is, I will agree na kung tapos ka ng bachelor degree mo, then you go for master's. No, master's in nursing or health management or whatever it is that is related to you being a registered nurse. But also, having said that, baka pwede ka pa rin sa bachelor degree din. Pero, Bachelor of Nursing, kung nakagraduate ka sa Philippines ng less than 10 years ago, then you can get a 1-year credit para 2 years na lang yung iyong pag-aaral under bachelor degree. Ngayon, kung mas mahal pa rin yan, maaari pa rin kumuha ng ibang mga programs under the vocational programs. But just be very careful about the choice of those programs, no? So, marami dito, they were nurse in the Philippines, they come to Australia and doing individual support or health management courses. But I would like to put a warning there, no? So, dapat align pa rin yan dun sa iyong career goal so that while you're taking up this diploma program, at the back of it is ginagawa mo rin yung OBA mo, right? So, yung OBA is you do your NCLEX and you do your OSCE until finally you get your registration. So, meaning to say, you're not using the student visa course in order for you to become an RN, because at the back of it, what you're doing is complying with the requirements of APRA by doing the OBA. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so in other words, in front you're doing the student visa, doing maybe other courses, the smaller courses, and then at the same time you're doing the OBA at the back. Okay, and you becoming a registered nurse in Australia will of course be dependent on whether or not you will pass the NCLEX and the OSCE at some point later on. Okay, hindi kagaya ng Bachelor of Nursing, because once you finish the 2 years Bachelor of Nursing program, then you will be assured that upon completion of that course, you will become a registered nurse.